Hello, today I'm going to talk about the neuroplasticity. The following infographic will give ideas about the concept and neurological changes that occur in the brain, its production through physiological changes, the main activities and situations that generate brain plasticity, and finally the positive and negative side of neuroplasticity. As you can see, according to scientists, the neuroplasticity is the ability of the brain to reorganize itself, both in its structure and how it functions. Through mental activities, the brain experiences neuronal changes. These changes are given in the following order. The first process is called neurogenesis. It is the continuous generation of new neurons. Next, we have the creation of new synapses. This happens when new skills and experiences create neural connections. After that, those synapses are strengthened. Here, the repetition and practice strengthens neural connections, and finally, the synapses are weakened. This results because the connections in the brain that are not used become weakened. Neuroplasticity can be produced when there are changes, for example, in the dendritic of spines, in the properties of membrane and ion channels, in hormonal activity, in the microglial activity, the DNA transcription and regulation, and finally the neurotransmitters. People experience neuroplasticity by being exposed, for example, in traumatic events, stress, social interaction, meditation, emotions, the learning, paying attention, exercise, diet, and new experiences. It is important to know that neuroplasticity is divided into positive and negative aspects. The bright side is that makes your brain more resilient, enables you to recover from injuries, stroke, and birth abnormalities. You can learn new ways to respond to new situations, and you can also overcome depression, obsessive compulsive patterns, addiction, ADHD, and so on. The dark side is the neuroplasticity means that the brain is always learning. The brain is neutral and doesn't know the difference between good and bad. It learns whatever is repeated, both helpful and unhelpful. Therefore, the neuroplasticity may entrench depressive, anxious, obsessive, and overreactive patterns. As a conclusion, the brain is flexible and can acquire new neuronal changes. It is recommended that people take measures in order to strengthen their brains. The power of neuroplasticity is a great help, for example, in the field of medicine, because it allows patients to solve conditions that have affected their brains. Now I'm going to say a myth about the brain. Here we have that drinking alcohol kills brain cells. Actually, that's been proven false. A while ago, people thought that drinking alcoholic beverages were capable of killing brain cells, but now it's widely known that the amount of alcohol needed to kill brain cells will also kill the person drinking it. A moderate drinking doesn't appear to kill or even damage brain cells. In addition, alcoholics can experience brain damage due to drinking, but it's not because the alcohol kills the brain cells. It's because the alcohol can damage the dendrites that are found at the end of the neurons. I hope you liked all the information provided today. Thank you very much for your attention, and see you next time.